What is blood? Blood is a vital connective tissue that circulates throughout the body. It delivers oxygen and the nutrients to cell, remove waste, protects us from the infection and the blood loss. pH level, the normal pH is 7. Why the pH level is matters? Because if the pH level is low, the fatigue, confusion, shortness of breath may indicate the illness. If the pH level is high, muscle twitching, nausea, dizziness. The main functions of the blood: carry oxygen from lungs to the body tissues, transport carbon dioxide back to the lungs, deliver nutrients, hormones, and the medicine throughout the body. Protections: white blood cells fight with the infections. Regulations: help maintain body temperature, regulate the pH balance of the body. Clotting: prevent the excessive bleeding after the injury. Blood is made up of four main components. Plasma, it's a yellowish liquid. It's approximately 55% of your blood. It transport the hormones, gases, and the waste, maintain fluid balance and the blood pressures, regulate the body temperature, carry protein that helps in the clotting and immunity. RBC, erythrocytes, the second name of the RBCs is red blood cells are the 45% of our blood. The functions is carry oxygen from lungs to the different parts of the body, carry carbon dioxide from body cells back to the lungs. White blood cell, that is called also called the leukocytes, that is 1% of our blood, defend the body against the infection and the disease, recognize the destroy harmful pathogens, play a key role in immune response. And the fourth one is platelets. Platelets are the tiny cell fragments made by bone marrow. They made up less than 1% of your blood volume. Functions that help in blood clotting, stop bleeding, prevent excessive bleeding loss after injury, aid in the healing process and damage the blood vessels. ब्लड ग्रुप सिस्टम में हम देख सकते हैं ए बी ब्लड ग्रुप सिस्टम इज बेस्ड ऑन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एब्सेंस ऑफ ए एंड बी एंटीजेंस इन द सर्फेस एंड द ब्लड वेसल्स एंड द ब्लड सेल सॉरी. अब टाइप ए ब्लड में आप देख सकते हैं कि एंटीजेंस एक राउंड राउंड शेप के एंटीजेंस बने हुए हैं. टाइप बी में देख सकते हैं आप कुछ अलग प्रकार के एंटीजेंस हैं. और ए बी जो टेस्ट जिस टाइप का ब्लड है उसमें दोनों टाइप में ए का कॉम्बाइन करके और बी का कॉम्बाइन करके कुछ एंटीजेंस बने हुए हैं. और द थर्ड में देख सकते हैं जो ओ टाइप का ब्लड होता है उसमें कोई एंटीजन नहीं है. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बेसिक. सो दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन ए बी एंड ओ type of blood. Now we come to the next part, blood disorder. Anemia, you can see the normal shape of blood and the person who has anemia, who has a deficiency of hemoglobin in their body. The conditions is fatigue, pale skin, dizziness and the shortness of breath. It's a common cause of it. These are the common cause of anemia. Leukemia, a cancer of the blood and the bone marrow that cause the body produce a large number of abnormal white cells. You can see a normal blood, किस तरीके से नॉर्मल ब्लड दिख रहा है. और ल्यूकेमिया के अगर किसी पर्सन को ल्यूकेमिया है तो उसमें डब्ल्यू बी सी है जो उसकी मात्रा बढ़ती जाती है, वो मल्टीप्लाई होते जाते हैं, बढ़ती जाती है. कॉमन सिम्टम्स क्या होते हैं? फीवर, फटीग, इजी डिसनेस एंड द फ्रिक्वेंट इन्फेक्शंस होते हैं, जिसमें क्या होता है हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम को बहुत ज़्यादा कमज़ोर कर देता है. सिकल सेल डिसीज, ए जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर इन विच रेड सेल्स बिकम हार्ड एंड द सिकल शेप, causing pain, infection and the other serious complications. The common symptoms is pain crisis, fatigue, chest pain and frequent infections. And you can also see the normal red blood cells, how they look like, and the sickle cell. If a person has the sickle cell disease, then how the RBC shape was like a knife shape. The key fact about the sickle cell disease is it is an inherited with the parents. Pain episode can be triggered by the stress, dehydration or infections.